How to add brush to Photoshop. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So I over here have this free brush stroke, and I first want to make sure that I extract this. So I'll just right click on this and then simply click on extract here. Now I have extracted it and it should be right over here as we can see. So just keep on remembering where this is. So then what you want to do is simply get a brush. I have already actually selected it right over here. And I want to right click on this. Click on this settings icon. Scroll a little bit down until you see import brushes. So simply click on there. And now what we can do is, since we remembered where we saved our brush that was in downloads, we can go over here, simply click on this and double click. And now we have added this. Now it might be nice to simply just add all your brushes into one folder so you never will never lose them. Although you don't have to keep on reapplying these brushes each time. Once you have applied it once, they should just be in Photoshop for always, pretty much. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's how to add brush in Photoshop.